Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the International Space Station that orbits our planet every 90 minutes? A question that stirs the imagination, doesn't it? This engineering marvel, the International Space Station, or ISS, is not just a satellite, but a home, a research lab, and a testament to what humanity can achieve when we put our minds to it. Conceived in the late 20th century, the ISS is a product of international collaboration, with countries pooling their resources, knowledge, and skills to build something extraordinary. Its purpose isn't just to orbit the Earth, but to enable scientific research that would be impossible on our home planet. From studies on the effects of microgravity to experiments on space sustainability, the ISS is a hub of innovation and discovery. A floating laboratory in space, the International Space Station is a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. The journey of the International Space Station, from conception to reality, is nothing short of a marvel. It's a tale of international cooperation, technological innovation, and the indomitable human spirit. The story begins in the year 1984, when President Ronald Reagan envisioned a permanently manned space station. This idea, initially known as the Freedom Space Station, was the seed that would grow into the International Space Station we know today. The construction of the ISS was a monumental task, requiring the expertise of nations around the globe. The United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, and the member countries of the European Space Agency all played crucial roles in making the vision a reality. Piece by piece, module by module, the station began to take shape. The first component, Zarya, a Russian module, was launched into orbit in 1998. Over the next several years, more modules were added, expanding the station's capabilities and size. The United States Destiny Laboratory, the European Columbus Laboratory, and Japan's Kibo Laboratory are just a few examples of the numerous modules that make up the ISS today. But it wasn't just about building a structure in space. Each module was meticulously designed for a specific purpose. Some are living quarters for astronauts, others are dedicated to research and experiments that can't be conducted on Earth. The construction of the International Space Station was completed in 2011, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. But the journey doesn't end there. The ISS continues to evolve as new modules are added and old ones are upgraded or replaced. The International Space Station is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a testament to what humanity can achieve when we put aside our differences and work together towards a common goal. Over 15 nations, billions of dollars, and more than a decade of construction, the International Space Station stands as a symbol of unity and progress. Life aboard the International Space Station is a unique experience, one that only a select few get to experience. A day in the life of an astronaut is both mundane and extraordinary. Waking up to the sight of 16 sunrises a day, they follow a schedule filled with work, exercise, and leisure. Exercise, for instance, is not just a daily routine, but a necessity. In the microgravity environment of space, muscles and bones can weaken. To counteract this, astronauts spend about 2 hours each day working out using specially designed equipment that helps mimic the effects of gravity. But it's not all about maintaining physical health. The astronauts aboard the ISS also engage in a plethora of scientific experiments. From studying how plants grow in space to conducting research that could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, the work done on the ISS has far-reaching implications for life on Earth and future space travel. Yet life in space isn't without its challenges. Astronauts must learn to live in a confined space with a small crew, manage their time effectively, and deal with the psychological effects of being away from Earth for extended periods. Moreover, they have to contend with the constant threat of space debris. Traveling at speeds of up to 17,500 miles per hour, even a small piece of debris can cause significant damage, and the ISS has to regularly maneuver to avoid such encounters. As we look to the future, the International Space Station is nearing the end of its operational life. Predicted to be decommissioned within the next decade, discussions are ongoing about what will replace it. Will it be commercial space stations, moon bases, or something else entirely? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: The International Space Station has played a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of living and working in space. Even as we look forward to new frontiers in space exploration, the International Space Station continues to inspire and push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities.